Exercise 5, they want us to find the equation of the axis of symmetry of this function. Okay, so if we look at this function, it has a positive x2 term, it's 2 here, which means that it's going to be something like this, U shape. And then the axis of symmetry is going to go through here and go through the minimum point, the turning point that is a minimum. So we would like to know the equation of this axis of symmetry. So for example, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to -3. We don't know this value, so we would like to find out the equation. Then we have to find the slope of the tangent on the curve for the x value of the minimum. Okay, so we have to find out what is the minimum and then the tangent, the slope of that tangent. Actually, we before we even know the x value, we know that the slope of the tangent going through this turning point is going to be 0. Okay, so we could justify that and answer, but we're going to find out how to do it by doing the normal method. But this, we could actually say that since it's going to go through the turning point, we know that the slope of the tangent is going to be 0. But let's start with the A question. So the function is 2x2 minus 5x 2x2 minus 5x, was it plus 3 minus 3? Okay, so A, in order to find the turning point, we could just find the zeros, for example, and then take the middle of that. If you have another method that works, that's fine, but this is one that also always works. So let's see, can we factorize this? Well, maybe we should use the general formula once again. So minus b is minus 5, which is plus 5, plus minus, and then square root of b squared to minus 5 squared is 25, minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is minus 3, everything divided by 2a, which is 2 times 2. Let's clean up a little bit. 5 plus minus 4 times, oops, bracket, minus 4 times minus 3 is 12, plus 2 is 24, so square root of 25 plus 24 is 49. Everything divided by 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Square root of 49 is equal to 7, so 5 plus minus 7 divided by 4. This will give us 2 solutions. So 5 plus 7 divided by 4 is equal to 12, divided by 4 is equal to 3, or 5 minus 7 divided by 4 minus 2 divided by 4 is equal to minus 2 over 4, which is minus a half. Okay, so we know that if this is 1, 0, x is equal to minus a half, and this is another 0, so this would be the x-axis, right? And maybe the y-axis is somewhere here. Then the other 0 would be around here, 3, x is equal to 3. Then the axis of symmetry is going to go straight through here. It's going to be in the middle of minus a half and 3. So if we take minus a half plus 3, kind of a mean of these two values, like the average, the middle of these two, is equal to If we make this into halves, it's going to be plus 6 plus 6 halves divided by 2 is going to be 5 halves divided by 2 is going to be 5 fourths. Okay, so the answer would be x is equal to 5 over 4. Now, in the B question, they would like to know the slope of the tangent for the value of x, this x value, okay, that we just found. So the slope, we know that it's going to be 0 already, but let's confirm that result. So we have to find the derivative. This is the general way of finding a slope for any value of x. Let's find the derivative. So if this f of x is equal to y, that's the y value, then dy is equal to dy dx is equal to, take the exponent 2, multiply with this 2, we get 4. And then x, we decrease the 2 by 1, we get 1, we don't have to write it out. Minus 5x, we know that it's going to be minus 5, and the derivative of minus 3, or any number, is going to be 0. And we don't have to write that out, of course. So this is the derivative of this function. Now, for x is equal to 5 over 4, we get the value here. So 4 times x, which is 5 over 4, minus 5. Well, we can actually simplify here, 1 and 1, so we get 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So the answer is the slope is 0, and that we knew already, but now we confirmed it.